Griffin families, Miss Farmer here. I'm just going to explain a little bit about what your children will be learning over the next half term and how you can support their learning at home. We'll be starting next week our Read, Write, Ink lessons. So that's learning the sounds for each letter. The children will bring home a green Speed Sounds 1 book with all of the letters that they will need to learn initially. So in the book you have got the letter and the mnemonic that goes with it and how to write each letter. So the children will just work their way through that book as we learn the letters at school, and that is for you to keep at home. We also really need to be practicing writing our names if we can't do that already. Counting is also a really important thing that we need to start learning, and we need to make sure that we are counting with one-to-one correspondence. Now what that means is, if we've got items here, we touch one thing as we say one number. So 1, 2, 3. They can move them, 1, 2, 3, or they can just point. Because what we get at the minute is a lot of children going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're just counting, but not actually corresponding the object with the number that they're counting. We also will be practicing how each of the numbers are represented. So knowing that number 1 is number 1, number 2 is number 2. The early years foundation stage is all about developing independence, and we would encourage you to support your children by allowing them to do things by themselves. I know that's easier said than done because we need things to be done quickly. However, things like putting on jumpers, taking off jumpers, putting on shoes, taking off shoes. If they've got laces, learning to start to tie their laces. It's all these things that the children will need to achieve to be able to be independent. They also now include things like brushing your teeth, saying what healthy food is, unhealthy food, how we can keep ourselves healthy. This half term, it's really important to develop our Griffin's social skills now that we can be with others again. So that's learning how to be a good friend, using good manners, and how to use our kind hands. We are going to be trying a new approach called Learning Through Prep. We will be sending the children a video on Seesaw on a Friday evening with a short task we would like you to complete over the weekend, ready for their learning the following week. It may be that we ask you to read or watch a story, or it may be that we ask you to collect some leaves or some conkers that we can talk about in class and you can talk about at home with your children. These activities will prepare the children for the week ahead, and we hope that they will find these useful. Thank you for your time. I'll see you soon. Bye.